Can you see my screen, mobile screen now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, there is an icon here, right side. There is a icon here, correct? This is Google Sheets icon. Can you see this?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I have to click on it. Then Google Sheets app will open. See, there is not much difference between computer version and mobile version. Here, some of the options are truncated. Okay. You go to Google Sheets, then whatever files I recently opened will come here. Okay. Now what we have to do is, there is a plus button. You can see here, not there.
Down, sir.
See here. You can see that plus button.
Yes, sir.
Can you see?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Now you have to click on it. Then you will get two options. What are those? Two options. What are those?
Choose template. Use spreadsheet.
Yes. Choose template and new spreadsheet. Okay. If you take new spreadsheet, you will get a blank spreadsheet like MS Excel where you have to type your own items. Now what I will do, I will select choose template. Okay. I will select choose template. Okay. Here all those things are listed. Whatever I told you, no, everything is listed there. See, personal, to-do list, monthly budget, okay, calendar, travel planner, wedding planner, team roster, and if you are doing some brochures, okay, and invoices also. If you have a shop, if you want to create invoice, if you don't have a ready-made software, then you can use this one. Okay. See, like this. Expense report, company name, employee shift schedule. There are hundreds of templates available. Whichever is more suitable to your work, you have to select that particular template and you can modify it. Okay. Now, for today's class, you have to do timetable, correct? So how to do the timetable? You have to select schedule template. Where is it? Schedule template here, next to that calendar, correct? See this one. You have to select this one. Okay, we'll select that one and start. You have to click on it. Till now, any doubts? How to install and
sir.
how to open? Till now,
No,
everything
sir.
is clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
It's clear. Okay. Now see, same file has come here. Here, if you want to change, there is a little bit of tedious job is there. See, when you click on that one, you cannot change it. Okay. Then you have to observe this point. See here, that FX is there, no? That will allow you to type whatever you want to type in the cell. You have to see there. Next to that, there is a place to type. Now I will go there, I'll click there and I'll type Suresha weekly timetable. Weekly time table. Okay. I have to delete that daily schedule. It's there now. That I have to delete. I don't want that. Okay. After that, there is a tick mark next to that one. Correct. You have to click on that one. That means my work is over. Now you have to select the week. Again here you come down and change the date. Date is April. April is 04. 1304. No, I have to type 1304. Week I have to make, no. That's why 2020. Say okay. See, 13th April, and the next line, everything is automatically changed. See. Now, how to delete row? Here it is a difficult thing compared to computer. See, if you click on it, you cannot delete. See, so when you have to delete that one, you have to click on the row numbers. See, I'm clicking on row number. See, you have to click here, not here. Okay,
Number.
where you have to click?
Row number.
Okay, you have to
Row
click on
number.
the row number. When you click on the row number, you have to long press. Okay, when you long press, see, there is a menu, cut, copy, autofill, and there is a 3 dots also there next to it. There delete is there, correct? At the top, you press delete, that will go. See, I deleted 10 o'clock, which I need next to the tick mark. So what I have to delete? I have to delete 8 o'clock, long press, delete. Then 8:30, long press, delete. 9 o'clock also I don't want, long press, delete. Say 10 o'clock. And here also at the bottom, whichever time you don't want, you delete it. Okay, here timetable, you make it. Okay, next science. Am I correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay, like this you have to create your file. Okay, you will complete it now. This is your assignment for today, but send by 9 o'clock. You are sending after 9 o'clock, it will be LS, that is late submitted. Okay, so try to send it before that time. Okay, most of the doubts will be clear. Now after doing this one, there is a tick mark. Once your work is over, you have to see this. Can you see that?
Tick mark.
Yes,
That
sir.
one
Yes, sir.
you have to click. Once you click that one, it means your work is finished. No need to save, it is already saved. Okay, there are 2 ways. One, you download it as a file, Excel file or PDF file, or you can send it a link. When you send a link, file will be there in the cloud only. They can if you give editor option, they can mark on it. If you give only view option, they cannot do anything. They just have a look at it. Just like how I give your attendance, no? Attendance file, similar attendance file, can you modify? You cannot. Okay, see, you have to click this one now. Can you see this 3
Yes,
dots
sir.
here?
Yes, sir.
Okay, when you click on it, you have to select this option. What is that option?
Share and export.
Share and export. Once you click on share and export, to enable link sharing, you have to click that one. Okay, otherwise the link will not be opened. Okay, you have to click on it. See, once you click on it, that menu will go up, share and export. Now see, that link sharing is enabled. Now you click on share, the first option, share. Okay, it will ask for a permission. You have to give permission, otherwise it will not allow you to work. Now you observe there are 2 icons came, new 2 icons. Okay, you have to click on that link icon. Okay, when you click, see, when you click on that one, it says the property is set to view. Anyone on this internet with this link, anyone on this internet can view this particular file. Okay, if I want to change, I have to click on change. Here there are 3 options. Either you make it as a viewer, commenter, or editor. Viewer can only view, he cannot do anything. Commenter can comment, that means they can suggest, okay, I want to change this file. Who will approve afterwards if he wants. Next, editor will have all the permissions whatever you have. That means he can modify. Okay, so I will give editor option. See, now the link is changed. Okay, if you click on that link, again that menu at the end, there is a copy link. No, you have to click on it and go to WhatsApp, and you have to send it to me now. Go to my name and say okay, then send it. Okay, this is how you can send a link to me. Understood? Now how to download it into PDF, correct?
Yes, sir.
Go to sheets, where I was here in the schedule. Okay, this is what now. See again. Now the fourth option, send a copy. Next to that copy link, there is an option called send a copy. You go there. See, there are different file options. Two options. One is Excel or PDF. If you want to send it to someone who can modify and if they want to use, they can use it. Then you send it in Excel format. If you want to allow them to modify PDF, they can do anything. Okay, they can take a printout. PDF is print document file. Okay, I have to click on that one. Click. It will be created into PDF and it will ask that shared link will come. There you select WhatsApp or email, or you save it to your drive, or you can save it to your Gmail account also. See, I am saving it to WhatsApp and see that file has come to me. Correct? So your assignment is these two. You have to send a link as well as PDF. That link should have a proper. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, that is all
Yes,
for today.
sir.
If you have any doubts, you can ask me now. No doubt. Very good. If you don't have any doubt, then I don't have any problem. So I'm stopping.